Hello, 8th graders. Your video for tomorrow is going to be on section 2.3 out of the book, which is solving the multi-step equations. So the other day we just did, we did some two-steppers. This is just adding another step onto those. So in general, these are the steps that you can follow to solve these. So 2 days ago we worked on combining like terms. So that's what we're going to do first. You combine what you can first on both sides of the equation. Then you're going to go ahead and get rid of what's being added or subtracted. And remember, we said that's what's not connected to the variable. You have to leave that till last. And then you're going to just go ahead and finish solving it using your rules. So I'm going to do a couple of examples. So 3n plus 9 plus 4n equals 2. Okay, well, you can see on the left-hand side, I have a 3n and I have a 4n. So obviously I can combine those. 3n plus 4n, so I have 7n plus 9 equals 2. Now I'm just back to a two-step equation. Okay, so I go ahead and get rid of the 9 because it's not connected to the n. So minus 9, 7n equals minus 7. So then I'm going to divide it. Remember, this is the subtraction property of equality. Here's the division. If you divide both sides by the same number, you get the same answer, right? These 7's cancel. My n is -1. So I really just had the one extra step, which was this right here, where I had to combine my like terms first. Okay, so it's a lot like what we've been doing the last couple days, but they combine the two sections, the combining the like terms and the two-step equations, and now it's three-steppers. You might have a couple that are more than 3 steps. Here's another example. So 8 equals 3/4 c plus 12 minus c plus 4. Okay, there's a lot going on in this problem. Don't let it scare you. Do what you can, right? Combine what you can first. So there's a couple different things here I need to combine. So I have a 3/4 c and a minus c. That's a -1, right? So if I have 1c and I need to subtract 3/4 from it, well, you need to realize that this is 4/4, right? So how many is left? 1/4. Okay? And if I'm subtracting more than I start with, it better be a negative. So I have a -1/4 c. Okay, this is just to show you how I was combining the c's. Then I also have a plus 12 and a plus 4. Well, they're both positive, so just add them up, and that becomes plus 16. Okay, and don't let the fraction worry you. We'll get there. We'll take care of it. So I can't get rid of the 1/4 because there's something else being added or subtracted, so I have to get rid of that. So I'm going to minus 16. That gives me a -8, and I have this -1/4 c. Okay, now normally when you have something times a variable, you divide to get rid of it, but remember that fractions cannot be divided. So I can't divide it, which means I have to use the rule, which is multiply by the reciprocal. So flip it to 4/1. The 1's cancel, the 4's cancel, but I have to do the same thing to the other side. So -4/1, this is over 1. Negative times negative becomes positive. So 32 equals c. And you're probably like, no way, there's no way that's the answer. Well, plug it back in and see. Let me rewrite my original equation so I can see what I need to plug it into. What was that number? Number 4. All right, so if I plug it back in, 8 equals -3/4 times c, which is 32/1, plus 12 minus 32 plus 4. So 8 equals, this I'm just checking to see if it works. So this 32 and this 4 I could have reduced to make it easier. So I have a -24 plus 12 minus 32 plus 4. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, this already said minus. Oh yes, okay, minus 32. Okay, so right here I accidentally put a negative in. It's supposed to be a positive, so I'm just going to ignore this negative. So 24 plus 12 is 36. Minus 32 would be 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So it does work. See, the original problem had 3/4, and when I recopied it, I put a negative in there. But it does work. Okay, so 32 is the answer. So bring that knowledge with you, and we will do a ton of examples tomorrow. See you then.